Hi again, it's Pete from Record. The other day I took you over how to clean H tailstock. Today I'm just going to go over the Herald itself, clean the bed down, just get it all running nice and smooth again. First of all, take the tailstock off and the tool rest, switch the machine off, unplug it, undo my lock. Swivel the bed down, move the bed down a little bit. Oh right, it's a little scratch pad. And just give the bed a bit of a clean up. Just get any dryness. You might have a bit of rust come onto the top of the machine. If it's a bit pitted, it's a bit deeper on there, you can always use an orbital sander or something with one of these on there and then just give it a little buzz over. I'm going to be cleaning up my bandsaw later on in another project, and I'll reuse an orbital sander then, and I'll show you how to use it. All you must bear in mind, because of the dust and everything that's going to come off the machine, is just to use a face mask or something, so it will be quite dry. I use a microcrystalline wax. There's a few different makes around. Have a look around. What you will have with that, unlike other waxes, you won't have a residue on the top. It won't build up, and you can work it really easy into the cast table itself and get all that muck off. It soon lifts up. Don't forget underneath as well, just give it a little wipe underneath as well, where your plates run along. And the rest of the bed. Just bear down on it nice and firmly. You can see my machine's moving around as well. I don't fix it down. Most of the time I'm only doing light stuff in here. And I take it around for the different shows, for demonstrations. And I like, so it's easy to transport around in this sort of setup. But if I need to, I can just quickly clamp it down anyway. It's quite easy to do, because I've got a nice wooden top anyway, nice workbench. I'll soon fix it onto there. Like I say, the other day I cleaned off the tailstock and the Banjo. Just give it a quick go over. It's nice and clean. I'm just going to give this a quick spray, a bit of dry silicone, but I'm not going to do it in here, so just bear with me a sec. Put the plate in place. The lever will be running around there. Shaft the same. Give that a little cleaner. That's the one. Put your tailstock back on. I've taken the travel screw out of that one because I take it to pieces when I'm going and doing shows, and also it's easy to get off if you're working across the bed anyway. So that makes it all a nice little bit easier to use. Plug my machine back in. Check I'm free. If you haven't used the machine for a while, always start it up in a slow speed. Just let the bearings bed in again, get some grease going around them, and then turn it up. Now I'm in the mid position, so it's automatically started on there, and I've started in the forward mode. I've had the machine running earlier on today anyway. And she goes. So that's your bed all set up, all nice and free again to go. Okay, catch you soon.